Earn cash without leaving your couch. This video reveals how you can get paid for doing simple tasks like playing free games, testing mobile apps, or taking online surveys. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash or build a lucrative side hustle, this video helps you start earning today. Don't miss out on this legitimate way to get paid for doing what you already enjoy. Before we dive into this incredible journey, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You absolutely cannot miss out on our jaw-dropping money-making methods. Can you believe it? We're offering global opportunities for online earning. It's like the whole world is at your fingertips. We're in awe of the possibilities, and we want you to share in this wonder. Quick, drop your country in the comments below, and prepare to be amazed by our region-specific videos tailored just for you. Alright, are you ready? Take a deep breath because we're about to embark on an absolutely astounding adventure. Let's get started on this unbelievable journey to money making. Ready to turn your downtime into a lucrative opportunity? Look no further than Easy Play app, the game-changing app that's revolutionizing how we earn money online. With more than 100,000 downloads and an impressive 4.4-star rating from over 23,000 users, Easy Play isn't just another app, it's your ticket to effortless earnings. Imagine this. In just 15 minutes and 22 seconds, less time than it takes to watch your favorite TV show, you could be cashing out your first coin reward. That's right, the average user starts earning real money that quickly. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast or prefer sharing your opinions through surveys, Easy Play caters to your preferences, making earning as enjoyable as it is profitable. But here's where it gets even better. Easy Play isn't confined to your home or office. Earn anytime, anywhere, on your commute, during lunch breaks, or while relaxing at home. And why keep this golden opportunity to yourself? Invite your friends and watch your earnings soar even higher. Listen up, because this is a game changer you don't want to miss. Here's your ticket to effortless earnings. First, head to the Play Store and grab the Easy Play app. It's your gateway to financial freedom. Once you've got it, dive right in and kick off your first mission. Trust me, you'll be hooked from the start. Now, here's where it gets exciting. You've got options. Pick from a smorgasbord of addictive games or tackle download tasks. Either way, you're raking in rewards. And we're not talking chump change here. Some savvy users are pocketing over $100 daily. That's right, per day. With Easy Play, the power to boost your income is literally at your fingertips. The best part? Your coin rewards hit your account instantly. No waiting, no hassle. Just complete the task and boom, you're richer. Ready to cash out? Easy Play's got you covered with PayPal, bank cards, and e-wallets. Your hard-earned rewards your way. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Start earning money and collecting rewards with Easy Play right now. It's time to turn your downtime into dollars. In the end, if you actually got something out of this video, show some love and smash that like button. And hey, why not spread the wealth? Share it with your buddies who could use this info too. Your support is what keeps us churning out these videos. Not subscribed yet? Come on, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and turn on those notifications. That way, you won't miss out when we drop new videos about making money. Alright, that's it from us. Catch you next time.